Meetings, meetings, and again meetings. Can't we do some real work instead of attending the meetings all the time 24/7? This makes me crazy. You mostly listen to these words before meeting. Perhaps you may have said this couple of times. I have attended many meetings and mostly were poor managed, called without distribution meeting items or agenda, managed badly or was just a waste of time. As a project manager, are you going to schedule a meeting with your team members like I said earlier? You need to be careful because this can damage and hurt your leadership practices. A meeting is one of the most effective communications tools for the project manager. Unfortunately, many project managers fail to effectively use meetings to further the interest of their projects. Instead, their meetings become counterproductive, hindering rather than furthering productivity. In PMI meetings are the most common tool and technique for majority all processes in project management. You will study 49 processes in project management, and mostly you will see this tool and technique is mentioned in every process of tool and technique section. So this is a very handy skill for a project manager. By planning meetings, project manager will have a much easier time conducting them and following up on results. If they fail to plan or treat meetings as ad hoc occurrences, however, they will fail to meet objective. To have objectives meetings, therefore, consider these guidelines. Number one is determine. You must prepare agenda item first and share its points with the participants in advance so that they can come well prepared to give their suggestions effectively. Number two, attendance and attendees. While sharing agenda items, send them an invitation letter and explain in the letter why your participation is mandatory and what you expect from him or her. Frequency of occurrences. Explain in the letter its frequency, whether the meeting is scheduled every week or month on same date and time, or it's just one time meeting. Number 4, share proper goals and objectives why you are calling this meeting. You need to also specify the location, place, date, time and purpose of the meeting. So we plan the meeting, we conduct the meeting and we follow up the results. Conducting the meetings. The actual occurrence of a meeting can test even the most able project manager. Despite challenges, a well conducted meeting can have spectacular project results. Meetings that are defined, planned, organized, executed, and controlled, just like any project, can become project manager's tool for conducting project efficiently and effectively. A successful meeting on project can help develops way to deal with cost and schedule problems and obstacles or seemingly impossible technical issues. Successful project managers accomplish that by getting the involvement of the stakeholders at these meetings. Project manager roles and responsibility should not end after the conduct of a meeting. In fact, to ensure that meeting achieves its purpose, goals and objectives, they should perform these suggested guidelines. Number 1. Be available to clarify contents of the meeting record and to maintain an open dialogue with attendees. Determine the medium to distribute the results. Distribute the record of the meeting. If necessary, schedule a follow-up meeting or remind attendees of the next regular meeting. And remind people of their responsibility for follow-up on assigned tasks and action items. I hope you will like the video. Do not forget, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.